Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. So one thing we do for our e-commerce clients, which we see a lot of advertisers miss, is connecting Google Analytics 4 to their Merchant Center account. And effectively what that gives you is reporting on your free listings, which is mainly the Google shopping site. But if you don't do that, you're not going to get that reporting. So where you can see that in your reports is if you go to either like user acquisition or traffic acquisition, and then look for organic shopping. Organic shopping will include that. It will also include visits you would get maybe from like eBay or Amazon that click through to your site and then transact. So to filter for that, you want the first user source to be Google. And then all of this traffic that's reported here in the resulting sales are from the free listings. So how do you do this? It's pretty simple. You're just going to go into admin, and then you're going to go to Merchant Center links, and you will have one here if you've already connected it. Otherwise, you're just going to click on link, and providing that you are connected to the Merchant Center in question, you can just select it. And once you've done that, you're finished. So it takes like 2 seconds, but yet we find that a lot of advertisers, they just don't get around to doing it. They're not aware it exists, or what have you. So it's a quick one today, but it is nice to have that extra little bit of data, for your organic shopping. So make sure you do it. That's it for today. I will see you next time.